Well, here we go. Alright, everybody. Tonight's video. What's up, everybody? For tonight's video, before I said everything, you guys, I'm gonna do the intro, okay? Oh, hi guys. This is Marshall's Studios Forever here. Marshall Studios Forever Vintage Things are taping you from a live audience tonight. And Marshall's Studios Forever Vintage Things will always be taping from a live audience tonight. And first of all, tonight's video, I will be doing a video about my 1991's Hoover Encore Limited Edition. Well, everybody, this machine right here needs a new belt. And first of all, I thought about buying some more bags for these machines and newer belts. And I really love this machine better to use for upstairs and vacuuming the sunroom on thinner carpet, and I really love using this one better because it's powerful, and I gotta tell you about my Hoover Encore Limited Edition. This machine, this was one of my all-time Ego vacuum cleaner I grew up with. This is my all-time Ego because I really love using this one a lot, and I really love using it to vacuum on thinner carpet, and if I ever put it on if I used it on thick carpet, I have to put it on high adjustment, and that thing will suck right out of the carpet in the living room. And first of all, this machine is very powerful, very stronger suction. I grew up with this older Hoover vacuum because I grew up with these older ones. I seen one of these before, and I have seen one of those before during my childhood. And well, first of all, when I was about 15 years old, I saw one of those at the Old Paris flea market, and I wanted to buy that vacuum cleaner so badly, and I didn't have a lot of money growing up at 15 because for me, I really wanted to get this vacuum for my whole life, and I literally wanted to use it to vacuum for my house chores deal, and I like to use this for doing chores with it and vacuuming my bedroom, vacuuming the upstairs hallway. And I will use this to vacuum my mom's room, my mom's bedroom. And I will use this where I go vacuum at. I will use it anywhere I want to go use it, okay? I mostly use it to go vacuum over at my dad's house, or maybe over at over somewhere else where I did. And I do remember this machine. I wanted to use it for vacuuming up a lot of cat hair, pet hair off the carpet and rugs, and I will use this for pet hair only, and I will use it to vacuum up all the pet hair off the carpet. A lot of pet hair dust on the carpet. And I will technically use it to vacuum up all the cat hair and pet and dog hair off the carpet. And I will use it if my dogs really shed a lot. I will get this vacuum cleaner out and use it, and I will technically use it every time if my dogs ever shed, or if they ever shed in the hallways. I will get the other vacuum. I will technically use my 1998 Blue Bissell 9 amp upright vacuum, the soft bag right over there, and I will technically get my other sweeper and use it. And for first of all, I would use a hose on the other big vacuum I really do have. I have a vacuum cleaner is way bigger than this. This is way bigger than this, and also I have one is really loud, and I do have a tan vacuum cleaner, was made from the early 2000s, and I got one. It was made from it might be blue or something. I really used to own a vacuum cleaner. It was really bigger at times, and I have an older vintage bag vacuum cleaner as well. It was made from the late 1990s over at my friend's house. Probably maybe here at home. And I literally did have an older vacuum I really used to own. I still have, and I don't know where it is. And for first of all, I don't know where is my older vintage vacuum was, my older Bissell. I really do have it. I have the one with the power partner. Was made in the year 97. I had a vacuum cleaner like that, and I still use it from the main house only, and I don't know where it is. It might be in the garage, or might be in the attic, or I'm not sure where did I kept my older vintage Blue Bissell Power Partner 1000 upright vacuum, that 1997's model. I used to have one. I really did had it since my high school year, or I had it when I was about 16 years old. Or maybe at the time it was an older one. And I got it on my 17th birthday, or probably 16th birthday, I believe. And I knew someone gave it to me. It was an older Bissell. It was an older Bissell vacuum. It was a Blue Bissell Power Partner 1000 upright vacuum, was the one I used to own. And I don't remember where did I put with it? Where did I put it, or where did I do with it? Maybe I knew somebody threw it away, or I'm very upset about that. And I'm here to let you know about it. You guys, I really don't know where was my Blue Bissell power partner was, okay? Guys, I will let you know tomorrow if I ever find my 1997's Blue Bissell Power Partner 1000 upright vacuum. I'll let you know. And reversed of all, I use it to vacuum the living room with. I use it for cleaning up all the pet hair. I use the hose for cleaning the furnitures up, to get up all the pet hair and dust mites and all that stuff. That was one of my vacuums I really did use. And I mostly used it a lot of times, and I don't know where it is. Well, everybody, I wanted to make sure you click thumbs up and hit subscribe. Click thumbs up on the notify bell, notify me, and click on the comics, what you like to see for the Marshall Studios Forever vintage stuff. And also, I'm getting very tired. I really needed to go to bed. And reversed of all, I still got my 1998's Bissell 9 amp still, okay? And I don't know where my Blue Bissell power partner was, okay? And I'll figure it out tomorrow. I'm tired. And I'll see you in the next video tomorrow, okay? If I have time.